What's going on, guys? Savage Squad 106350 here, back with another video. We're here at this river thing, but there's more to this. Like, there's an awesome waterfall, but I'm here with my dad that is just standing there being an old man, but that's okay. Anyways, yeah, this is Savage Squad 106350. Make sure you like and subscribe and post a topic, what kind of video I should do, 2K, anything, just going around doing a normal vlog. Yeah, there he is right there, just being weird, like he always is. Yeah, alright. Let's try and make our way back up. You got it, Dad? Come on, there you go. Alright. See, it's good being tall, guys, but at the same time, being tall is crap, It's alright. There he is. He made it back up. Anything to say to the vlog, Dad? I'll poop. Kinda figured. And this is my stepmom. Anything, guys, say to the vlog?
Hi!
So, anyways, we're all here. My dad, stepmom, me, of course. And this is the waterfall right behind me. And that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe for more videos to come.
Yeah, we better get going too, huh?
And catch you in the next video. Peace.